So Apple Intelligence launched with iOS 18.2 and the latest OS update. What you see here is the photo app in Mac. And what I wanted to show is this new option. If you go to Edit, there's a cleanup feature. It already has some predefined cleanup areas. I'm going to leave this one. This one doesn't glow up by default, but I can draw a little line around it. And then it's gone. Same for this shadow. It does pretty okay if I look at it closely, and cleans it up pretty okay. And well, I like it because now I don't need a separate app, and this works for me.